Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your VPN is not working on your iPhone iOS 16. So guys, if you have upgraded your iPhone to the iOS 16 but the VPN is not working, so if you are facing this issue, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem on your iPhone or iPad. So let's get into the video without wasting any time. So before we start the video guys, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. First step is make sure that you have the internet connection and it's working. So you can check the internet speed right in the Google fast.com. So you can go to this website right here and you can check your internet speed, whether your internet is working or not. So after this guys, make sure that your internet connection is working. So as you can see here, so after this guys, you check your router setting. So if there is any problem with the router, you can restart your router once. It can fix your problem. So after this guys, make sure that you go to the setting, click on Wi-Fi, just turn off the Wi-Fi for a few seconds, then turn it on back again. So after this, you have updated your VPN app. So for that, you can go to your iPhone setting like here, and you can click here. So if your VPN is asking for update, you make sure that you update that VPN. So after this guys, disable private Wi-Fi address on iPhone. So for that, go to your iPhone setting, click on eye icon next to the Wi-Fi, then turn off this private Wi-Fi address, then close the setting. After this, go to your iPhone setting, click on general, and click on VPN and device management, and just delete this VPN profile once. So once you have done this, just go to setting again, then click on general, click on iPhone storage, and search for the VPN. So here's the VPN, then click on offload app. So then simply click on reinstall app. So once the app is reinstalled, try to connect, click on allow, add the profile again, then just wait for a few seconds. So as you can see guys, it's connected. Now you can use your VPN. So if you are still facing this problem, make sure that you update your iPhone to the latest version. For that, you can go to your setting and go to the software update, and make sure that you have updated your iPhone to the latest version. It might fix your problem. So hope you guys like this video. If you do, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.